INFOrmed Beauties, your girl EuniyceMari here, and so today I'm going to be giving you guys 5 ways or 5 ingredients that can help to brighten your skin. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is EuniyceMari and my channel is all about informative beauty, from skincare, hair care, makeup, DIY, all that fun stuff. If you're not subscribed to my channel, girl, what are you doing? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, thumbs up this video, and share your girl with the world. So let's jump into 5 ingredients or 5 ways to brighten your skin naturally. Number 1 is turmeric. If you don't know what turmeric is, you have been living underneath a rock. Turmeric is pretty much a root. It is basically a root, and usually you get it ground up in the powder form. You can take that powder and you can mix it into honey, lemon, yogurt, or even just water to make it into a paste that you can apply to your skin. Now, turmeric has vitamin C, which is great for lightening the skin, and it has a great antibacterial properties. It just has really great properties for not just the inside of the body, but also lightening the skin or brightening the skin on the outside of the body. Ingredients number 2, we talked about this a couple of days ago, lemon juice. Lemon juice is a citric acid, which not only lightens the skin, but it gently exfoliates the skin. Now, lemon you want to be careful with, because I do not suggest using it alone, but actually using it inside of oils or mixed in with turmeric and honey. Like, mix it into something to get the benefits of it. But the citric acid, depending, well, for most, I feel can be too harsh on the skin, so definitely mix it in with something, okay? Ingredient number 3 is papaya. Now, the enzymes in papaya naturally exfoliate the skin, creating a brighter look, okay? Now, anything, like I said, that is exfoliating, especially fruits that have a little bit of acidic into them, or they have a little bit of an enzyme that gently exfoliates, is always a natural way to make your skin look a lot brighter versus using, you know, other things that are not so natural, but they have acids in them that naturally eat away at the skin gently. And I always sound weird when I say naturally eat away at the skin, but they gently exfoliate, okay, versus those chemical exfoliators. So papaya. Number 4, honey. I don't know if you guys ever heard of people using honey, like dropping it in their eye to naturally lighten their eye, which I would not suggest, and also putting it in their hair, which causes the hair to look lighter. So I heard, or from what I've seen, honey is also a great way to brighten the skin. But not only that, it is very moisturizing. Honey is a great base. So if you want to make a face mask that's brightening, I would definitely say mix in the turmeric, mix in the lemon juice with some honey. Like, just put them all in there, mix them up, and it's a great balance for you to have not only the benefits of exfoliation and brightening, but also moisture with that honey. All right. And last but not least is pumpkin. Now, out of all these, I would say that pumpkin enzyme is my favorite. I've used it a couple of times, especially from the Banished skincare line. I will leave that link down below. They have an exfoliator or a pumpkin enzyme exfoliator that you put on your face. But pumpkin has antioxidants in it, and also it has vitamin A and vitamin C. It is very exfoliating for the skin, and so I love it. You put it on, it smells like pumpkin, and you can feel a little bit of a tingling on your skin. So it is a great natural way to gently exfoliate your skin and get your skin to look brighter. Now, with all of these lists and all these ingredients, I'm going to say it like I always do, consistency is key, okay? You cannot use this once and go, why isn't my skin bright? People, you have to always be consistent in everything that you do with the skin in order to see the best results. So doing this once a week, you're going to see a result over a certain amount of time just by mixing and matching up these ingredients. And there are a list of other ingredients that you can use to naturally lighten your skin. These are just a few, okay? With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. This is your girl EuniyceMari. Make sure to rate, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I will see you guys in a later video.